on that normally.
Is there any, you are doing any exercises, any kind of exercise right now?
Yeah.
All exercise, yoga exercise, everything?
It's more of I do core workout.
Core workout. Okay.
And so like bicycles, but I do it just like this.
Yes,
I keep my neck down,
okay.
and I'll do these.
But do you think neck is relaxed during these exercises?
I do my best.
Okay. Just relax first. I'll correct your C3, C4 and C4, C5. Just relax. Yes. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Just relax. Yes, do this. This grip is okay?
Not really.
Yes, you should.
Well.
Like this. Yes. That is fine?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Just relax yourself. Go down. Go towards couch. Yes. Go towards couch. Yes. Go towards couch. Yeah. Relax. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. So now we are correcting your lower back. Just make it relax for that. Just relax. Just make it loose. Yeah. Turn opposite. Come at corner. That's it. Little go back. Little go back. Back side. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. Make it straight this one. Just chill. Relax. This one. Just relax. Just relax. Just put your both hands here. Lock. Okay. That's it. Now what you will do? Just push your elbow back side. Yes. Relax. Again, do the same. Yeah, that's it, that's it, that's it. Yes, again get up and walk. This side. Turn one side again. Always just remember, turn one side and then get up and sit.
Okay, like this, and
Yes.
just push up.
Yes, like this. Okay, and lie down like this first sit, and then lie down like sit. Same like you get up. Yes, and straight. Okay?
Okay.
Again, turn one side. Again, turn one side. Legs down and get up. Legs down and get up. Push. Yes. Great. So that will create, the less pressure over your spine. Just always get up like this.
Okay.
So another thing, you have rounded shoulder also.
Yeah.
The shoulder is going in this direction. So that's why that shoulder blade is following the shoulders. Okay, so we need to push little backside. Okay. Along with that, little chin backside. That's it. This is the posture. This should be the posture.
Okay.
Okay. Just relax. Yes.
So I will just share with you. I for 2 years I did like a backpacking.
Okay.
Like I was like a solo backpacker adventurer, and I carried like heavy weight,
For forest.
Like yeah,
forest,
trekking, and,
Trekking.
but also like living. Like I traveled around the world like with a backpack.
Yes.
So would that have a reason for my shoulders going
Yes,
forward?
because
or-
with that strap, with the heavier weights,
Because it's strenuous.
so we are putting the body weight forward,
Yeah.
right? So that is creating the rounded shoulder. Yes, that
Okay.
can be the cause.
Okay, so I was just sharing that because maybe that was
Yes.
contributing.
So with this,
Yeah.
yes, neck is also going, that little forward.
Yeah.
Forward. So we need to push back.
So just like a
push
little.
your little shoulder back and your chin little back side. That's it.
That's it.
Just maintain for 10 seconds. That is enough for 2 hours. So in every 2 hours, we need to give a proper stimulus of real posture to the body.